A lot of influencers sell their courses on Instagram or any social media platform. What if I tell you, instead of you selling personally yourself, what if AI will be selling your courses on autopilot? So before getting to the build, let's see on how the system actually looks. Love it. And let's see if this system actually sells me the course that I have listed on my bio or not. So as you can see, thanks. Fantastic to hear. I'm excited for you. And if you're serious about leveling up your sales skill, something that you could really help you. Now here's a link to check out. Now if you have any questions about the course, just ask me. So if I go to the link, and as you can see, this is the sales score that I picked from a content creator. I just added the link for the guy, and it's right over here. And this is exactly what we want to do. Since you've seen how the system actually looks and works perfectly, let's learn what we are doing is. A lot of influencers will tell you to send a specific word into their DMs, or they will tell you to, like send a specific word into their comment. You might be wondering, they are probably using ManyChat or different tool to actually use it. Now we're going to use a specific tool in this build that's going to be named as chatbotbuilder.ai. Right. So this platform allows us to build insane good AI chatbot without you using a single piece of code. This is how the platform will look like. Now what you want to do is create an account. So just go to there, log in. The first step will be connecting your Facebook to Instagram. You need to do connect our Facebook to our Instagram. This is my Facebook and this is my Instagram. So head over to a Facebook page. Now if you don't have a Facebook page, you can create. It's 24-hour old. Go to its settings. So I'm going to go to the Facebook page settings. Now I'm going to connect my Instagram page to my Facebook page so that I can connect it to chatbot builder. This is the Facebook page. This is the settings. You can see linked accounts. You need to connect your Instagram over here. It's going to be very simple. Awesome. Our Instagram page is connected like butter. Now what we need to do is connect our Instagram page to chatbot builder AI. So we're going to go to chatbot builder AI. Click on Instagram. Go to settings, channels, Instagram. Now you can see my page, this like right over here has appeared. So I'm going to click on connect. Now what we need to do is comment automation. Now this is the first step of selling our courses. A lot of influencers use it to sell their courses on Instagram or any different social media platform like Facebook. So what they tell you to do is comment, and then AI will and then they will send you the link of the video, but we're going to do it with AI. And in the second step, what we're going to do is create the chatbot in the DM of the Instagram. When a person say you ready, then only they will get a reply with the help of AI, and then AI will act as your sales agent, which will sell your course, right? So let's build the comment automation real quick. So go to chatbot builder AI again. Now here, go to marketing. Now since we connected our Instagram page with chatbot builder AI, now when you go to marketing, you will be able to see Instagram comment automation, right? So, and what I'm going to do is type, give it a name, comment automation, click on a name, and now here you can select a specific post if you like. If you're posting a reel for a specific product, or if you're just trying to sell your anything on the market, you can just select a specific post. But I'm just going to click on all posts because I only have one post on the page. Now if you want it with just text, you can just paste the link of your course or link of anything you want over here. But if you want it to be AI, you need to select flow, right? So we'll click on flow, and we'll click on save. Now what we're going to do is, now we will create two flows. The reason why we'll have to create two flows is that first we need to reply to the comment that see, and second will be a reply to the comment that goes to a DM of the user. And we need to make sure that it is personalized to every single person, so you just beat everyone in the market. What you can do is go to flows, click on add. Now I'm going to say private replies. It will go in the DMs of the user. Okay. Now here I will click on the send message, go to add content, create on actions, and I will OpenAI is basically ChatGPT. Now here we'll just tell ChatGPT what you want to do, and you will make sure to go to generate text and advanced. Make sure to go to generate text advanced. Also make sure to click on connect user to human, as make sure to remove this because we do not need this. And save our custom response field. You can select it to AI default reply if you like to. And here you will just tell ChatGPT to create a response for a user. So the user has commented under my post. the URL in a bracket and send it as it is. And that's it. Yeah, so click on continue. Now what we go to OpenAI. Now make sure the user message should be last every comment. Otherwise it might show some errors or maybe errors here and over there. So make sure to always set it to last every comment. What we're gonna do is now drag it over here. Click on send message. Add content, text. Click on variable. So if you do add one curly bracket over here, you will be able to see the respond field that we're using. So we're using AI default reply since we use that over here. And so we're going to use the same one over here. So there's going to be AI default reply. Change the send message type to Instagram and make to publish. Now our private reply is done. Now what we want to do is create a public reply. If you want to make it with the help of AI, you can just follow the same procedure how you did it for private reply. But I'm just going to use it. So we're going to go to marketing again. Now going to create a public reply. And I'm going to go to information. And the one that we created, make sure to turn it on. Okay, so in private reply, I would like to select the private reply flow. And in the public reply, I'm going to write commenting DM sent. In the more options, if you see any of this, so hide comment with these keywords, reply to users, or make sure to turn this off and click on save. Now one more thing that you need to do is head over to settings. See, if you have made a new account, need the AI to be responding from here. So go to integrations, OpenAI, and make sure to turn this off. Otherwise, it will directly create an AI, which we don't need. We need a specific one. We will only want to activate the AI chatbot only if the person sends a specific word that we have mentioned in our bio, right? So I'm going to click on save. And now let's test if this actually works or not. Okay, I just logged in from a different account. Now I'm going to try this comment automation real quick. So I'm going to say, hey, do you have any courses? And let's see if AI replies to this or not. So we're going to wait for a few seconds. AI should be able to give it a second. So we just received the DM in our DMs and it's really good. And we should, okay, so the AI replied to our comment as well. It should be, hey there, where's your company based? Now let's see if AI replied to our comment. Yes, thanks for commenting, DM sent. This is how simple is that. Now go to messages. And if you go to general, yes, thanks for commenting. Of course, I have a course because who doesn't love spending their free time learning new things? It's like a vacation for your brain. But without the sunshine, you can check out the video course over here. Now, this is how better it is than using just a specific word or specific link, sending link into the user's DM. Now, how to make the AI chatbot to sell the courses on its own when a user say a specific word into the DM. Now, to build the DM sales agent, I took an inspiration from this guy. He's an amazing content creator on Instagram, has more than 400k followers, and he has mentioned in his bio that DM ready for help. It basically means if we DM him, is probably his sales agent or his sales rep is gonna come and pitch something to you after analyzing your profile or probably looking at what you're looking for. Now we're gonna make it full with AI. So instead of you having a sales rep all the time, let AI do the hard work, right? So head over to Chatbot Builder AI. Since we connected over AI, our Instagram to Chatbot Builder AI, now head over to flows. Now here we will just train the AI. We'll give the instruction. Now, what are instruction? Instruction you can also call it prompt. Already created a list of instructions that I want to follow, a list of a flow of how the sales flow should go and how the AI should sell my product. So this is how the sales flow would look like. Well, you're a sales agent for Tenor, just a sales marketing, sales content expert making sales content on Instagram. Your task is to help Tenor sales sell their sales course that he built online and is willing to sell his Instagram audience who's looking to get their sales skills improved. And in the end, I pasted all the information about this course, like how much, what's the price of this course, how long the course would last, and etc. etc. Now, if you don't want to write the prompt all by yourself, you can just use the same format as you like and just go in the pinned comment. You'll find the document in the pinned comment. You can go make changes according to your own needs or your own course. You can use it by yourself. Now I'm going to copy everything over here. Now what we need to do is create a default reply. So since we turned off our AI, that was in the integration, we turned off our AutoGPT. Now what we're going to do is create a default reply. The default reply will allow us only enable that AI when a person who is looking for a course who went to Tenor's profile and checked out, okay, this has ready. So if we say ready in his DMs, then only the AI should activate. Otherwise, let's say if a friend of his sends him a DM, I don't want the AI to reply. I would like to reply myself, right? So what we're gonna do is head over to Flows. Now we're gonna create an AI response. Create a new flow. Now create AI response. Continue. Now here, first add a condition block, right? So condition block will decide whether the person has sent us a message saying ready or not. So we're going to be condition block. We're going to select last user input. So last user input is ready. Enter. Let's click on ready. Let's enter. And if we click on save, done. Now, if the person doesn't send anything, we're gonna send them nothing. So we're just gonna drag it over here, and we're not gonna add anything over here. But if the user says ready in the comment below, what we're gonna do is we will use the AI. We'll activate the AI over here. But now, before that, we'll need to add a custom field over here. Says ready. Now we'll set a custom field to a specific word. So the next message is gonna send, AI will reply that. Okay. So what we're gonna do is here we're gonna send a custom field. So click on send message, click on add content, and I'm gonna go actions. Now set custom field. Now I'm gonna select any custom field. So custom field basically is variables which holds information inside it. So just like how we did in the private reply, we stored the response in AI default reply. How we're gonna use the same way over here. But now here, custom field will be text. So it's going to be result 0. I'm going to select anyone I want. You can name it. You can add anything as you like over here as well. Operation set to is correct, and I'm going to name it as okay. And I'm going to click on save. Perfect. Now here, since we did this, we need to make sure that we add one more condition over here. So we'll create one more condition, and it should be result 0 should be okay. So result 0 should be okay. Now the reason why I'm doing this is that let's say if the user sent you a message once ready, now how would the AI will know that this user sent the message ready previously? So that's why we're going to add one more condition over here, that the user already has sent the ready in the DMs, and now AI will have to sell the courses to the person, right? We're going to set result 0 to okay, right? And I'm going to click on save. And now since our custom field is set, here we'll bring AI to generate the response. Now this is the prompt that I created about the AI. I think I've explained to you before. So I'm going to copy this whole prompt, and I'm going to paste this whole prompt. Go to actions, OpenAI. Now in the OpenAI, make sure to click on generate text advanced, right? Now paste the whole prompt over here, and here you will select any response field that you can use, but I'm going to use result 1. Name it anything of your own preference. Make sure to remove the function that is human, because we do not need it, and it will show you errors if you keep it like that. We do not want that, right? So I'm going to click on continue and drag it over here. Add that variable that we just created. So that's going to be result 1. Result 1. And that's it. Now, one more thing I forgot to mention. Well, while making two conditions, you need to select a different option. So any of the below condition. So instead of all of the following condition, you need to select any of the following condition. Now, what you need to do is connect this over here and click on publish. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention in this is that you need to change these messages to Instagram so that you're sending the right format of messages to any single one, right? You don't want to Instagram to think that there is a suspicious message that might affect your account then. If you keep it like that, you're all chill, you don't want anything else. Now click on publish. And I guess I have covered everything that you need to do in this build. Now let's test the system if this system actually really works totally well or not. So we checked our comment automation, it works totally like a gem. Now let's test if that AI agent works on a specific word or not. Because you wouldn't want the AI to be replying to your friends, right? You would just want the AI to be replying or selling your courses to the only people who are leads who are interested to buy a product or courses. So I'm going to the page right now. So I'm going to send a message and I'm going to see if this replies to any normal question or not. So I'm going to ask, do you have any course? And it's not going to reply because I am just testing it as a friend. But now if I send them a specific keyword that we just said that is ready for help. So I'm going to send ready. And I'm going to click on send. And it should be able to send me a message saying, hey there, thanks for reaching out. What's the biggest challenge you're currently facing with your sales? So I'm bad at sales. I'm going to write, I'm bad at sales. Now, this is AI, right? So it's going to add personalization to a message. So I completely understand how that can be frustrating. Many people feel the same way at some point. Sales can be tricky, but the good news is that it's skill that can be developed. What have you tried so far to improve your sales? I've read some books. Let's see how it replies. Yeah, that's great. Reading book can provide. I want to change my theme. I want to make sure that it's visible to you all. So switch appearance. Okay, so it's very bright, I know. So that's a great start. Reading can provide you valuable insight and strategy. Right? It's awesome that you're taking the initiative to learn. Can you share a bit more information, more about which books you read and what you find most helpful or challenging in them? So I just read. It sounds like a great type. Okay, are you ready to make review? Yes, sir. Let's go. I'm ready to make changes. I'm going to be one of the best sales guys in the world. And it just sent me the whole course link over here. Now, it did send me the course link before, but this is now the sales flow that we just built over here. This is how it actually works. If I go to this link, it will take me to the course. And that is exactly what we wanted to do. If you have any question, you can comment it down below. And also, the prompt that I gave AI, or if you're wondering what the prompt that I use, you can use the same prompt. I would have pinned the comment in the description below that will have a document connected. And this is it for the video. See you in the next one. Bye.